What's up? We got a good one today. We're at the Ithaca Farmers Market, one of the coolest spots in upstate New York. Gabby has never been. I've been a couple times, but not for a few years.
Yeah, I heard it's really big.
Yeah, and it's like this big kind of open barn. It's a sunny day, but it's very chilly. So we'll take you around and give you a food tour. Here we are. Epic. It smells really, really good. Really big, really open. They have crafts, food, little restaurants, finger popcorn. It's very nice. What do you see?
Some barrettes. I've been really wearing them for my hair.
Yeah, it's cool. And so the biggest thing about this market is just how massive it is, right? The amount of places to eat and shop, and I'll show you later, it's right on the lake. You can get a hat while you eat a crepe with a handcrafted wooden spoon. There's even a different arm from the main wing. Oh wow, it's a big bag of carrots. This keeps getting bigger. So right now we're just trying to figure out where to eat. We're seeing a lot of Asian options.
Yeah, and Cambodian is good.
Yeah, Thai, Cambodian, Tibet. So tons and tons of options here to eat. First stop, it's gonna be apple cider donuts. And then we can think about what we want for real food.
Yeah.
But this is gonna be a good.
You can get hot apple cider here too.
Oh really?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, it's pretty chilly, eh?
Yeah.
I'll see how I feel. But probably just get a donut to start. Let me get my wallet out. So we're getting our food in weird order. We got dessert first. Now we're gonna get appetizer. We're gonna get some corn fritters. And
Dessert? I can't see the menu.
Yeah.
Get closer.
But these have chipotle aioli to go with corn fritters, so it looks super good. So we'll pick up some of these. This smells amazing.
No,
I can't wait to eat
We
it.
walked up to it and I was like, oh my god.
So this is the menu for the spot.
Here are donuts.
Yes.
And then I think we're planning on getting one more spot.
We need an entree.
Yeah.
So there's one spot that looks really interesting. You can't eat in the pavilion, so we're kind of gathering everything, and then we're gonna go sit by the lake, try to get a spot. Oh, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Hold on, can you open them? Let's do a reveal. What do we got?
Ooh. Oh my gosh, they smell so good.
Oh, yes. They're still sizzling. So yeah, we got one more spot we're gonna hit, and then we'll get the food. I sent Gabby on her way to get iced tea while we wait in line at the Cambodian spot. Looks really, really good. Thank you. What kind did you get?
Lemon pomegranate.
Lemon pomegranate?
Iced tea.
That sounds good. So we're piecing together a good meal here. We have dessert, we have an appetizer, we have a drink. We just need the main course. Okay, just ordered food from the Cambodian spot. We got to pick up around back again. I'm gonna go meet Gab. Apparently it's one of the best spots, and we waited for quite a bit, so I'm really excited to check it out. All right, finally got our food. It was pretty busy by the market, so we walked down a path a little bit and got a spot on the lake.
Yeah.
A little bench. All the picnic tables were taken, so yeah, nice willow tree, this Cayuga Lake. So everything smells so good. All right, what do we do first? Should we try the corn fritters?
Yeah, I think that was the first one got.
Okay, round one.
Corn fritters.
Oh. What sauces are there?
I think.
It was like an aioli?
Yeah, and then the ginger shoyu sauce.
Okay. Ooh, this looks good.
Yeah.
It's gonna be warm too.
Yeah.
A little breeze coming off the lake. It's kind of cold.
So I don't know how to eat them. I guess we'll just dip them in both, or
Yeah. Cheers.
each one separate.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's all going to the same
Yeah.
place. Okay, ready?
Cheers. Oh my god.
Oh wow. That sauce is so good.
This is amazing. I love it.
I wish we could make them. Wow. Just try to make that sauce. See here, the corn inside. Ooh, nice. Okay, let's enjoy these and we'll go to round 2.
Gabby cam.
Is it actually recording?
Yes.
Okay.
I made sure. So those corn fritters, so good.
Really, really good.
And now, oh my goodness, I don't even know what this is. This is like
fried vegetables. This is from with the sweet chili sauce.
Yeah, so this is from the Cambodian place. It's number 1. So
yeah, on the menu.
Yeah, on the menu. So if you go, and we'll see later if we could take a picture. How is it?
I don't even know what
Speechless?
this is, but it's really, the chili sauce is really good.
I wasn't expecting it to look like this. There's like rice, veggies.
I think the sauce is definitely the star. What do you think?
I think it's rice flour.
Yeah.
That's what they use. And then a bunch of vegetables.
I like it.
That's good. I do like the sauce.
Yeah.
Definitely a shareable one.
Yeah, it's massive. It's like the size of my head. So we'll, all right, and then we'll get to our entree after we demolish this. The big reveal, the entree. You got number 9 with chicken. A lot of people are saying that was good. And
yum.
Yes.
Yeah, it's like chicken and rice noodles. And then the chili sauce.
Then I got a number 8. So see if I can open. And this is lemongrass tofu with turmeric and sweet potato and pineapple.
Which all
Worth the wait.
It's almost like grill flavor.
Really? Like, nice.
Want to try it?
Yeah, I'll try some noodles.
So I think it has cabbage, chicken, and then noodles, carrots, and it's spicy.
It is spicy. Okay.
Like a warm spice though.
With a grilled flavor.
Yeah, it came in like after. When I first took a bite, it wasn't spicy, but now it's like warming up. But it's really nice because it's kind of chilly out today.
Yeah.
So it's like a nice warm spice.
Oh yeah, I can smell the grilled flavor.
It's really good though.
Yeah, I know what you mean. It's almost like grilled noodles.
Yeah.
It's the flavor.
Yeah.
But, yeah, super good.
Lemongrass tofu, some rice.
Yep.
That's number 8 on the menu.
That's really good.
Is it?
It's really spicy.
Is it spicy?
It's really spicy. But it's so good.
So here's what it looks like.
It's like a flavor I've never had. I think it's the lemongrass.
Is there potatoes in it?
Yeah, these are sweet potatoes.
Okay.
And it has some pineapple.
Oh, that's what it is.
Mm-hmm.
And tofu and rice.
Yeah. So tofu's really well cooked. The lemongrass flavor is very strong, so if you like lemongrass. And it's spicy. I think spicier than yours, but I'm cold, so that's perfect. But so what do you think of this food?
It's good. It's getting spicy.
Yeah, I think
I eat. And this one didn't have like a spicy symbol. There's an item on the menu that had a spicy symbol, but this one didn't, and it is still kind of spicy. So I think if you like spicy foods, and not crazy though, like we can still eat it.
Yeah.
But if you don't like spicy foods, I'm not sure if you would enjoy
This booth.
This dish. Yeah, the dishes we got, because yours was pretty spicy too.
Yeah. Same thing though. I think I got all the spice in the first bite.
Yeah.
So it's been like kind of warm and manageable since.
It's nice because it's a little chilly out today.
Yeah.
But in the summer, I'd probably sweat eating this.
Yeah. And it wasn't too packed today.
No, yeah. I do want to know, I don't know who said it, but you do have to order your food inside and then go around the back of the booths, like exit the market and go around back to get your food. Probably for crowd control, they said it is. So if you are going to shop, probably do all your produce shopping first, then order, and then wait in the back.
And you can go to all the different spots outside. They kind of let us back in just because it wasn't too busy today.
Yeah, they weren't really regulating it as much because it wasn't that busy, but I think if it is busier, you'd have to probably wait online to get in. Like there is someone in the front who is managing who's in and out, so.
But she just smiled at us as we walked in and out like 5 times.
Yeah.
So we didn't know what we were doing. And it's open Saturdays 9 to 3 from April through October, and then Sundays I think 10 to 2.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
We'll get the sign.
Yeah.
But we got to finish this, and then we still have our dessert.
Oh, I don't know if I'll be able to finish it. My mouth is like getting pretty spicy.
All right, last thing on this farmer's market food tour. We had our entree, we had our appetizer, entree, and then now dessert. The first thing we got.
Donut.
Sorry, donut. I want to split one.
Yeah.
And we can save the other one.
So there's no sugar on it, which is surprising. It's just a plain
Donut.
donut. Looks
As
good though. It smells really
advertised.
good. Oh, wow.
Good. Tastes like fall. It's like a solid apple cider donut. Honestly, you'd have to go out of your way to get it.
Yeah.
It's good. If you like apple cider donuts, it's definitely a good one.
Yeah, and it was like $1 per donut.
Yeah, true. It's a really sweet treat.
I'm not sure if I like apple cider donuts.
Well, I do. So I will eat this one.
Final goods of the day.
Breakfast burrito from Sola's, which Food and Wine has rated as the best burrito in New York.
Yeah, someone did tell me to come here and that it's worth coming here just for the breakfast burrito. So we did get a small classic, which I believe is just like eggs, cheese, and salsa.
I'm glad it's small because I'm really full.
Yeah.
I ate that whole
This is
vegetable
such a cute
ball.
size.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Pete ended up eating the whole vegetable ball because I thought it was good, but I'm not a big fan of mung beans, and there was mung beans in there.
A lot of them.
So that was good. So here's our burrito.
Is it as good as your friend said it was?
Mm-hmm. That's nice.
Worth it?
Mm-hmm. The tortilla is just so soft.
Yeah, I think they roll them out on demand.
Yeah.
I saw.
Here's the inside. Egg,
Just a come to tell full
salsa.
am. First time at the Ithaca Farmers Market. What did you think?
I really enjoyed it. It was super fun. Not too crowded, which was nice. But there are some places where you do wait quite a bit. So
Yeah.
I'd say try to get here on the early end. But definitely worth the trip, for sure.
Yeah.
And definitely come hungry. 'Cause
Yes.
There's a lot of food to try.
Yeah, and we didn't even buy like produce or vegetables or anything.
Yeah.
We came strictly to eat, but I think we got some clips of all the shops and things, so you can spend a lot of money here.
Yeah.
But the food is really good. So that was our morning at the Ithaca Farmers Market, but we're not done just yet in Ithaca. We got one more cool spot to check out, and we'll see you there later on. What's up? We are still in Ithaca. We are at Robert H. Treman State Park, one of the coolest spots in all of New York. Just set up our camera, got a new toy, so we're gonna play around with it here and have some fun. So you've never been here?
Nope.
I was here on a 4th of July hike a couple years ago and it was packed. So it's a beautiful spring day, not very busy, and can't wait to show you around one of the coolest spots in upstate New York. Forgot the tripod, gotta run back. Got the tripod, now we can start. So what do you think down here? It's super nice. Just a lot of water coming out. Met a nice family. So now we're just chilling. Lots of folks taking pictures. And we'll probably do the same. As time goes on, nothing to do, nowhere to be. This is pretty awesome. Okay, just finished our time at Robert Treman. What do you think?
It was so beautiful. I like the falls.
Yeah, it's a lot of water.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of camping here as well, picnics in the summer. So good time to visit. It was pretty empty.
Yeah.
We had a lot of time. So hope you enjoyed our clips of the park and of Ithaca, and we'll see you next time.